Namaste and welcome to Pramanik Astrology channel. I'm your host Prasad Mahazani. Help you raise your vibrations and become your true self with the help of Vedic astrology. In this video, we are going to talk about Moon into the sign of Sagittarius. What happens when Moon comes into the sign of Sagittarius? Namaste. I am starting 33 days of Vedic astrology boot camp. If you want to know more about this, link is in the description. Click on the link, join it. We are on to the second lesson. You will get pre-recorded lessons as well as live sessions to get the clarification on your question and answers. And you can join anytime and you will have access to those videos for the life. Okay, so link is in the description section, and those who have already enrolled for it, the next lesson is coming tonight. Namaste and welcome to Pramanik Astrology channel. Moon is about your mind. Moon is Manas. Moon is about your desires, opinions, is about your motherly love, about your affection. It is the celestial queen. It rules the sign of Cancer into the celestial zodiacs, 12 zodiacs. Moon rules the Cancer sign, which is all about emotional stability and your private life as well, which resonates with the fourth house of the horoscope. Now, what happens when this moon comes into the sign of Sagittarius? What is the sign of Sagittarius? Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter, is a fire element sign, and is a Dharma Trikona sign. Let's understand this one by one. Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter. When we are judging planet through the sign, first thing we judge is the friendship between the rulers. Like Moon is coming into the sign of Sagittarius, which is ruled by Jupiter, which is his friend. So he's coming to his friend's house. So he feels better here. Now, next thing is the sign of Sagittarius is a fire element sign. The significance of the characteristic of this fire element is outspoken, idealistic, positive, optimistic, firm, and aligned to their self. Next is it is ruled by Jupiter, is a Dharma trine sign, and it is a fire element sign. Okay, fire element sign makes them creative, intuitive, and chase high ideals in life. It resonates with the ninth house of the horoscope, which is about the higher belief, idealistic things, religious studies. Higher education can be seen with ninth house. Okay, now Moon is coming into the sign of Sagittarius. Moon is the planet of fluctuation, comes into the sign of higher belief. So these people have to be careful while dealing with any kind of belief, because it is difficult for them to have a firm belief because of this fluctuating nature of the mind or the fluctuating nature of the moon. The planet of mind comes into the sign of optimism, higher belief, virtues, and all the positivity in life. It makes these people positive and inspiring. You will see the Sagittarius moon people inspiring others. They are giving light to others in some way or the other. They are teaching something to the people. Next, the planet of mind and desires and opinions into the ninth house of the higher belief. So these people have a deep rooted religious and spiritual understanding. These people are honest, virtuous, righteous people. And Moon in the Sagittarius sign gives all the signification of the ninth house to that native. which is about the Jupiterian qualities. Moon is into the sign of Sagittarius. Now let us talk about the nakshatras. We have 3 nakshatras in this zodiac belt of Sagittarius. First is Mula Nakshatra. Mula Nakshatra ranges from 0 degrees to the 13 degrees 20 minutes of Sagittarius. It has 4 padas: Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer. When moon is traveling through this sign in this nakshatra and pada, it goes into its own Navamsha, into the 4th pada of the Mula Nakshatra. Next is Purvashada Nakshatra. Purvashada Nakshatra is an invincible nakshatra, which is the symbol of it is elephant. And now moon is coming in here. So it makes these people determined. First of all, the range of the Purvashada Nakshatra is from 13 degrees 20 minutes to the 26 degrees 40 minutes of the Sagittarius. And it has 4 padas: Leo, Virgo, Libra, and Scorpio. Okay. Here in the 4th pada of the Purvashada Nakshatra, moon goes into its debilitation Navamsha. Okay. And it becomes challenging for him because it is now into the debilitation in D9 chart as well. Next is Uttarashada Nakshatra. Uttarashada Nakshatra is ranging from 26 degrees 40 minutes to the 10th degree of Capricorn, but it is, it has 4 padas, which are Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. In the first pada of Uttarashada Nakshatra goes into the Vargottam Navamsha. Here moon goes into the sign of Sagittarius in D9 as well, which makes this moon Vargottama, and it gives great result with respect to the houses it rules, the planet it gets associated with, and bring out best from those planets as well. So yes, this was moon into the sign of Sagittarius through the nakshatras, padas, and more. If you want to know more about Vedic astrology, these 2 videos on your screen will help you to know more about Vedic astrology. Sending you tons of positive energy, sending you high vibes. See you in the next videos. Love and peace.